Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Fine,
How
fine.
are you? I am fine,
Yes,
ma'am.
I'm fine, fine. Okay,
Ma'am,
children.
fine. Which class is this, ma'am?
This is 4B. 4B class, okay? This is 4B class. 4B maths. Okay, children. Last class we have discussed 5-digit addition. Yes, 5-digit addition. Today we are going to start subtraction of 5-digit numbers. And children, you know, 4-digit subtraction we have learned last year. 4-digit subtraction. Same way we are going to do our 5-digit subtraction. Okay, so in our addition, what we were doing first, we were writing the numbers one below the other. Line up according to the place value. Then what you are going to do? You will start addition from which place? Ones place. Okay, start addition from ones place. Same like that we are going to do today our 5-digit subtraction. So subtraction, what you have to do? You have to write the big numbers on the top. Then the small number should be subtracted from big number. So what we have to do? We have to keep the big number on the top and we will write the smaller number below that and line up properly before starting subtraction. And which place we will start subtraction? From ones place. Okay, from ones place. And you know, children, we have already studied if the number on the top is small, what you have to do? You have to regroup and borrow. Okay. Is that clear? We are going to just start our subtraction with one example. Okay. Then it will be, those children who have forgotten, it will be clear for you. So first what we have to do? You have to line up the numbers according to the places. Then we will start subtraction from our ones digit. Okay, children? Okay, Muhammad Akil, what we are going to do today? Can you see the board?
Yes.
What is written?
Subtraction.
Okay, subtraction. We are going to study subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Okay, children?
Subtraction.
Kashinath, can you see the board clearly? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please mute. Okay. So we are going to do subtraction. Subtraction of 5-digit numbers. And children, we have studied subtraction of 4-digit numbers. And the same way we are going to do our 5-digit subtraction. So for that, what we have to do? You have to first line up, write the numbers one below the other. Write the numbers one below the other. Okay. And according to the place. So here ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, so we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So this is a 5-digit number. So the highest place value is here what? 10,000.
10,000.
Sabah, can you please unmute and tell me, is that board is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the numbers clearly?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So children, what we are going to do now, first line up, write the big number on the top. Okay. And write the smaller number below. And line up the numbers according to the places. This is the first step. You have to write the numbers clearly, line up the numbers. Okay. Then we have to start subtraction from which place, Sabah?
Ones place.
Okay, ones place. We will start our subtraction from ones place. And if the number on the top is big, there is no problem. We can directly subtract. If the number on the top is small, in that case only you have to regroup and borrow. Okay, so Al-Sabah, can we do that subtraction together? Akil, you can mute. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sabah, 4 minus 4.
0.
Okay, 4. All the numbers we are subtracting. So 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, very good. 6 minus 4,
1.
6 minus 4. After 4, how many numbers? 5 and 6. How many numbers? 6 minus 4. Look at the look at me. Look at me. How we have to count from 4 to 6. How many more numbers? Okay, from 4 to 6. How many more numbers? After 4, what? Which is the next number? 5, 6. So we have to. We will get 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. Now Saba, look here 2 and here 3. Can we subtract 3 from 2?
No.
No, because that 2 is small. So how can we take 3 from there? So what you will do? You will have to regroup and borrow. So 3. From 3, I'm going to take 1 here. So this 2 becomes 12. And if you give 1, that 3 becomes 2. Okay, now we are going to do 12 minus 3. Okay, 12 minus 3. So after 3, you have to count till 12. After 3. Can we start together? Counting. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
12. How many numbers? From 3 to 12. How many numbers? 12 minus 3.
12 minus 3, 9.
9. Okay, very good. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now, 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2?
0.
0. Very good. 5 minus 1?
4.
4. Okay. So, children, we got the answer. So, here once again, please check how we can do this subtraction. First thing, you have to write the numbers. The big number on the top and small number below that, and line up properly according to the place values, and we will start subtraction from ones place, and you have to check the number on the top whether it is small or big. Here now we have 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. Here the number on the top, that is 2. You cannot take 3 from 2. So what you will do? You will regroup and borrow. So that 3 from the number before, we are taking 1. So that 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3, you got 9. Here 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. Al-Sabah, can you read this answer, number name?
Yes.
40,000. 40,000. 920.
120.
So it is 40,920. So children, what we have to do? To do 5-digit subtraction, first we have to write the number, the big number on the top, and write the small number below that. When we will start subtraction from ones place. If the number on the top is small, you have to regroup and borrow. Okay children, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No.
You understood?
No, ma'am. No.
No doubt.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
So children, here, don't have,
Ma'am, my eye is paining.
okay, but it's not need to check here, okay? So, children, what you have to do is, okay. So we are going to do one more problem. Can you do that problem alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Take out your rough.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. All
Will
of
do. Sign me up.
All of you take out your rough book. You have to write the big number on the top. Then start subtraction from ones place. Yes? Okay, I'm going to share the screen. So here we have 67,823 minus 12,546. And we have to start from ones place. We will start subtraction. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. We will write the number one below the other and start subtraction from the ones place. And here first look here, 3 is smaller than 6. Don't write 3 minus 6 equal to 3. Some children without regrouping and borrowing, they will write, okay, 3 minus 6. That is wrong. What you have to do? You have to borrow. Catherine, can you please unmute? Catherine, can we do together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here this 3 is smaller than 6. So what we have to do?
Borrow from 2.
Borrow from 2. So 2 is giving 1. So 2 becomes 1 and this 3 becomes 13. Okay, 13 minus 6. Okay, after 6. Count from 6 to 13. After 6, 7,
7,
8,
8,
9, 10, 11,
12,
12, 13.
13.
Okay, how many numbers?
7.
7. Okay, 7. We'll get 7. Again, check here 1. Can we take 4 from 1?
No, ma'am.
No. So what do we have to do? Go and borrow.
Borrow.
Okay, very good. 8 becomes 7 and this one becomes 11. Again, 11 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6,
5, 6,
7,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9, 10,
10,
11.
11.
How many numbers?
7.
7. Again, 7. So here we have 7. And here 7 minus 5. 7 is bigger than 5. So no need to borrow. So what's the answer? 7 minus 5? Yes, Catherine. 7 minus 5.
2.
2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Again, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2.
5.
5. Okay. Now the last 6 minus 1, that is also 5. 6 minus 1, 5. So here we got the answer as 55277. Can you read this name? Number name? Yes, Catherine. Read the number. Answer.
Okay, ma'am.
55,000.
55,277.
77. Okay, so it is 55,277. Okay, so children, check one more time. You have to write the big number on the top, then line up the numbers one below the other, then start subtraction from ones place. And if the number on the top is small, you have to borrow. Here 3 is smaller than 6. So you have to take one number from the tens place. So 1, here it will be 1, here it will be 13. Now 13 minus 6 is 7. Here 1, can you take 4 from 1? That is small, so we cannot take. So we'll go to next place value. So borrow 7 and here it becomes 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer is 55,277. Okay, children. Yes? Understood? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so can we do one more question?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, yes. Take out your rough book. Do faster.
Ma'am, rough book.
Rough book. Okay, rough book. So first thing, copy down the question clearly without any mistake. Don't change the numbers. 56,789 minus 23,788. Write the big number on the top and line up properly. Start subtracting from ones place. 10,000 till here. So here all the numbers on the top, that's big, no? So no need of borrow. Adnan, can we start subtraction? 9
Yes.
minus 8. 9 is
One.
big number. Very good. 9 is big number. No need to borrow. So we can, when we take 8 from 9, we'll get 1. Very good. 8 minus 8?
0.
0. Same number. 7 minus 7?
7 minus 7. 0.
0. And 6 minus 3?
3.
Huh?
3.
3. Very good. 3. And what about 5 minus 2?
3.
3. Okay. See children, this is very easy. We can do without any regroup and borrow. Here, 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2. So the answer is 33,001. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer. 33,001. 33001. Can you show me your book? Yes. Okay, Megha, I can see Megha, Sabha. Yes, children. Very good. Yes. Niranjana, Amal, Gurujit, Ahyan. Okay. That was easy, no? There was no borrow. Okay, can we do one question with borrow? Yes, children. Is there anyone not finished? Children, anyone not finished? You want to
No,
check one
ma'am.
more?
No, ma'am.
Anyone did not check your answer? Please check one more time. Okay, okay. 33001. Okay. Okay, now take one more question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to write. Okay, Ryan. Ryan. Okay, Leon, please unmute Leon. Leon, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Leon? Leon?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start? 4 minus 3?
4 minus 3, 1.
1. See, number on the top is big. No need to borrow. Here 8. Can we take 9 from 8?
No, ma'am, borrow. From
Borrow.
9.
So, from 9. So 9 becomes 8 and 8 becomes
18.
18. Very good. 18 minus 9.
9.
9. 18 minus 9 is 9. Here 8 minus 3.
5.
5. 6 minus 2.
4.
4. And 3 minus 1.
2.
2. Okay. So very good. So we got 4 minus 3 is 1. Here 8 is small number. So we'll go there and borrow from 9. So the 18 minus 9 is 9. You know 9 plus 9 is 18. And here 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4, 3. So how to read this number? 24,591.
24,591.
24,591. Okay. Can you show me your answers? How many got a correct answer? Can you show me thumbs up? Yes, I can see that. Jibichan and all. Farhan Mekha, Ameya. Yes, children, very good. Okay, please check one more time. Those who have not finished, the answer is 24,591. Okay, children, now take out your math workbook, page number 33. Page number 33. Question number 135 was homework. Have you completed? Ahian, please unmute. Ahian, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read question number 1? Page number 33. Question number 1. Page number 33. Question number 1. That was a homework addition problem. Yes. Page number 33. Question number 1. When we add 4,000 to 2,000, we get what's the answer? Yes, Ahian.
6,000.
6,000. Very good. You know 4 plus 2, that is 6. So when we add 4,000 to 2,000, the answer is 6,000. Okay, which is the option? Ahian, please tell me the option. Yes, Ahian, please tell the option. Option A. Okay, option A. When we add 4,000 to 2,000, 6,000. Option A. Okay, Akshit, question number 2. Question number 2.
When
When
we
we
are
subtract,
subtract
when we subtract 1,000 from 8,000,
1,000
we get, okay, we have to subtract 8 minus 1. Okay, 8 minus 1. So what's the answer? Akshit, yes. 8,000 minus 1,000. 8 minus 1. What is 8 minus 1? Huh? 8, 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7,000. Akshit, tell me the option. Which option? 7,000. B. Option B. Okay. Children, did you get the correct answer, all of you? Yes? Akshit is feeling happy. Okay, Zahra, do you have workbook with you?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Anthony,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 3. When we add
When we add
1,000,
1,111
111
to
7,000,
700.
777. Okay. All the numbers are 1 and 7. 1 plus 7. What is 1 plus 7?
6.
1 plus 7.
Eight.
8. Okay. So all the numbers are 8. So can you tell me the option, which is the answer? Anthony? B. 8,888. All the numbers are 1 and 7. So when we add, you will get all the numbers. 8. So how we can read that number? 8,888. Okay. So children, one question will be addition, another question subtraction. So read the question properly. Otherwise you will get mistakes. Niranjana, please unmute. Question number 4. From
which digit do we begin adding or subtracting?
Okay. From which digit we have to start subtraction and addition? From which place?
Once.
Ones place. Very good. Okay. Can you tell me the option?
C.
C, option C. Which place we will start our subtraction and addition? That is from ones place. So option C. Okay. Abel, can you please unmute Abel? When we add 40,000 to 50,000, question number 5. Question number 5, when we add 40,000 to 50,000, 5 plus 4, what is 5?
Ma'am, option A.
Option A,
Option
very
A.
good. Okay, very good. So what is 5 plus 4? 9. So how to read that number? 90,000. Okay, 90,000. Option A, very good. Now, Jibichan, next question. Jibichan. Okay, Jibichan, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Question number 6. When we subtract 60,000 from 80,000, we get, 60,000 from 80,000. So 8 minus 6. What is 8 minus 6?
6,000.
60,000 from 80,000. What is 8 minus 6? 8 minus 6. 2. So which is the answer?
2.
Now look at
20,000.
20,000. Very good. So when we subtract 60,000 from 80,000,
Option D.
option D. Very good. Okay. Option D. 20,000. So all the children, please complete 7, 8, 9. Now do alone. You have to please check the question carefully. Is it a addition or subtraction? Question number 7, 8, and 9.
I mean, this addition.
7, 8, and 9. Question number 7 from page 33. Page 33, question number 7. Parthsarthi, can you please unmute and read question number 7? Parthsarthi. Yes, read question number 7. You don't have book?
No, ma'am.
Advait, please unmute. Advait. Read question number 7.
When we add
30,000 13,133. When we add these two numbers, it is addition. When we add these two numbers. Okay, can you say the answer? 3 plus 0.
40,133.
Okay, 3, 3, 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 43,133. Children, please check whether you got correct answer. Okay. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer. Very easy question. There is no carryover for this. Question number 8. Devadatt, please read question number 8. Devadatt.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Where are you? Are you in your
I'm in.
mother's?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now. Okay, Mekha. Yes, Mekha. Yes, Mekha, please unmute. Okay, question number 8.
Question number 8. When we subtract 60,000 from
99,999.
99,999, we get
You have to subtract. Okay. 99,999 minus 60,000. 9 minus 0?
N minus
9. Okay. Again,
Nine,
all these same
nine,
numbers. 9 minus 0, 9. Again, 9. 9 minus 6.
9 minus 6.
From 9, you have to take away 6.
2.
After 6, count how many fingers? 7, 8, 9. 3, 3. Yes, very good. 3, 9. Okay, 39,999. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer. Yes, Amal. Did you get the correct answer? Yes? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, all the children, please check whether your answer question number 7 and 8, it's correct. So the last, this is 39,999. Okay, Amal, please read question number 9.
When we add 55,000 to 11,000, we get
When we add, children, you have to add 55,000. You have to add 11,000 here. Add. Children, please check the question. Is it subtract or add? So, yes, Amal.
60.
55,000 plus, so 0 plus here, you know that is 0, here 0. 5 plus 1?
5 plus 1, 6.
6. Okay, again 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is, can you read this number?
66,000.
Okay, very good. 66,000. So children, please check whether it is add or subtract. Only that much. Here we had to, when we get plus, there is no carry over. So very easy question. Okay. So children, can you do question number 13 as homework? 13, 1, 3.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 13 is homework. That is addition question. You have to add 37,890 and 42,357. Okay, question number 13 is a homework. So children, only, I think one more question we can do. Can we do question number 10? Who can read fast? Ivan. Please read question number 10. Yes, Ivan.
Are 5-digit numbers added and subtracted just like 4-digit numbers?
Okay.
Yes.
Are 5-digit numbers added and subtracted just like 4-digit numbers? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. 4-digit subtraction is similar to 5-digit subtraction. Also, 5-digit addition and 4-digit addition, they are similar. Same step we are following. First, we have to line up. Then we will start adding from 1's digit. So the answer is yes. Okay. So children, we will wind up the session today. So what we have discussed today, it's 5-digit subtraction and it is similar to 4-digit subtraction. First, what we have to do, you have to line up the numbers one below the other. Then we will start subtraction from which place? 1's place. 1's place. And if
Bye, ma'am.
you have to
Bye, ma'am.
borrow. Okay. So that's what we have learned today. And all the children, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.